Hello, my name is Phil and I want to do a series of English teaching videos for you. First of all, I want to do a series of phrasal verbs, and this is the first one, so it's called Introduction to Phrasal Verbs by Phil, as me, okay? I want to do it in a series of questions and answers. Q, questions, obviously, A, answers. Q1, question 1, what is a phrasal verb? A1, a phrasal verb is a verb with a preposition. Question 2, can you give me an example, please? Of course, yes. Answer 2, a verb. I want to explain. This is a verb. For those of you who don't know, a lot of you will know, but for some of you may not know. This is a verb. I'll give you some verb. This is a preposition. I'm going to give you, this is the phrasal verb made up of a verb and a preposition. Here is the Latin or other based alternative, as you can see, and I'm going to end up with an example. Hopefully, this will clear things up for you. This is the simple one. This is the first one. This is the simple one. Maybe a lot of you know this already, but this is just to try to explain a little bit about it, and then I will go on to do other ones and with some other ideas that I have. Okay? So let's go to the first one. Come in. We can say come in or come into. Now, the alternative, Latin or other based alternative, would be enter. Okay, and the example is come in, it's raining. So, for example, you're in the house, you're in the office, it's raining outside, and you say to someone, come in. Come is to me or to where we are. Okay, later I'll explain some other ones about go and others, but at the moment, come is come in to me. So, come in. Also, we can say come into the house or come into the office. Okay, now we use into, and later I'm going to explain this as well. But basically we use into when we have the object. Come into the office, come into the house, enter. So again, come in, it's raining. Or come into the house with an into, I have it here, but you can say into the house, it's raining. Right, next one, come out. For example, you are outside, someone is inside the house, pardon me, inside an office, and you say, come out now, it's sunny. Come out now, it's sunny. The sun is shining. Okay? Or you can say, come out of the office. Come out of the office because we're using out of with an object. Grammatically, this is the verb. This is a preposition. If we say out of the office, which is the object, we would say out of, or into or out of. The Latin-based alternative would be leave. So leave the house to come here, come to where we are. So again, next one, come up. Come up. For example, you are upstairs on the first floor and you're saying to someone on the ground floor, come up. Okay, come up. Ascend with the arrow, come up. I say, come up the stairs, come up the stairs. Alright? Come down. Again, you are maybe on the ground floor and someone's on the first floor. You say come down, descend. Okay, come down the stairs. Come down to where we are. Now remember, we use into or out of with an object. For example, come into the house, come out of the house. Okay. Question number 3. Are there any more PVs or phrasal verbs like come in, come out, etc.? Alright, etc. Answer 3. Yes, of course. The opposite of come is go. Come with something is bring. Go with something is take. I'm trying to apply a little bit of logic to this, okay? So, we have the example of come, but the opposite of come is go, okay? So, you can say, I can say, you go out, you can go out now, it has stopped raining. You can leave. So again, instead of saying come, you can say go in, but go away from me. Remember, come is towards me, go is away from me. So you say go in or go into the house. Alright, you can say go out, go up or go down. Right, now, as I said, go is the opposite of come. Come with something is bring. So for example, I have a pen. So you bring the pen. It's exactly the same, but it's just bring. Okay? So you can bring the food in now. Notice that the object goes between the verb and the preposition. I'm going to read this again. I've got it written down for you. You can bring the food in now. Now notice that the object, this is the object, grammatically speaking this is the object. Notice that the object goes between the verb and the preposition. This is the verb, this is the preposition. Now the food is the object. You can bring the food in, you can bring the food out, you can bring the food up, you can bring the food down now. And again, notice that the object, grammatically speaking, this is the food, here's the object, goes between the verb and the preposition. And I'm going to give you one more. And I'm going to take the dog out for a walk. Again, I'm going to take, we say to take the dog out for a walk. I'm taking the dog out. Now, go, if you go with something is take. Remember, come with something is bring. Go with something is take. I'm going to take the dog out for a walk. And again, the object, which is here, grammatically speaking, the dog, comes between the verb and the preposition. Okay, I hope you've enjoyed this. Maybe I've been speaking a little bit too fast. If I have, go over the video again. Look at my examples. You can see all my examples are written down. I've tried to write them as well as possible. This part was a little bit up. Okay, but go over it again and try to understand it. And remember, there is logic. I'm going to try to bring logic into my videos and I will show you some logic. If you like it, subscribe and watch more videos. Thank you very much.